Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Conekta Payment Acquirer in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module integrates your business with Conekta, a trusted payment gateway, allowing you to accept secure payments across multiple channels, including credit card, debit card, and online transfers. Perfect for businesses in Mexico. It supports flexible payment option and real-time transaction processing. With its seamless setup and reliable performance, the Conekta module helps you to enhance customer experience, improve payment efficiency, and drive business growth. So, for that, you need to go into the website. Under configuration, you will find a menu called payment providers. Here you can see 3 different payment providers. First of all, we will go into Conekta. Make sure it is enabled. Add a secret key and a public key. Same for Conekta OXXO. Enable it, add a secret key and a public key. Same for Conekta SPEI. Enable it and add a secret key and then public key. You can generate the secret and public key from your Conekta account. In developer menu, you can see you have an option for view test API keys. When you open this, you can create your private and public key. After private and public key, you need to create your own webhooks. From here, you can create your own webhooks. Just click on create webhook and your webhook will be created. Now, we will go into the shop. We will add some products into cart. Here we can see the added products. Now we will check out and confirm. Now, if you want to generate the invoice, you can select yes, otherwise no. After that, click on continue checkout. Now, here you can see 3 different payment methods. First, we will select Conekta. Click on pay now. Add your card information. Write your full name here. Add a card number, expiration date, and your security code. After that, click on continue. Now add the necessary information. And click on pay. Here you can see the payment is successful. Now you are redirected to the website and here you can see the sale order and the amount. We will wait for your payment to proceed. After that, you can see that you will get a thank you for your order page with your sale order and payment. Now we will go into the editor. Under configuration, we can find a payment transactions. In here you can see your all transaction history. Here you can see the previous order we created, payment method, provider, Conekta reference, everything. Now we will go into the Conekta. Under transactions, under transaction, we will find a payment menu. Here you can see the earlier order is updated here with the amount and every detail. Here you can see the product and the amount. Now again in payment transaction, you will find a button named sale order. When you click on that, you will be directly redirected to a sale order created for that order. Here you can find the product and all the history in the log note. Now, if I print the quotation, you can see a PDF report is printed for that order with all the details. Now again, we will go into the website. In shop, add products into the cart. Here you can see the products we added into the cart. Click on checkout. Click on confirm. Again, you can select yes if you need an invoice. Otherwise, click on continue checkout. Select the payment method. We are selecting Conekta OXXO. Now click on pay now. Click on continue. Add your necessary details and click on pay. You can see the barcode generated for the order. Now just wait for your payment to proceed. After your payment is proceed, you will get your order confirmation with your sale order number. Now again in the editor under configuration, we will go into payment transaction and you can see the payment done by us. You can see the payment method, payment provider and the barcode. You can also download the barcode from here. You can see the downloaded barcode. Now, when you click on sale order, it will be redirected to the sale order created. Here you can see all the information with product, amount and every history in the log note. Now, we will print this quotation and you can see a PDF report is printed with the barcode. Now, in the Conekta, under transaction in payment, we can see that the payment is updated with the amount and the order history. You can see the amount and the products we ordered. Now again, we will go into the shop, add products to the cart. We can see the products added to the cart. Click on checkout. Click on confirm. If you need an invoice, yes. Otherwise, click on continue checkout. You can select Conekta SPEI. After that, click on pay now. Again, click on continue. Add your necessary details. Click on pay. Now you can see that your payment is in process. Now just wait for it to process. Now your payment is waiting for the approval. After that, you can see that your payment is completed. Now again, under configuration, in payment transactions, you can see the payment history. Here you can see the order, the payment method, payment provider, and the SEPI received account bank. You can redirect to the sale order. You can see all the information with the history and products and amount. Now just print the sale order quotation. And here you can see the printed quotation. After that, if we go into Conekta, under transactions, in payment, you can see the order. Here you can see the amount and the detail of the order updated. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.